I could hear something very terrible. Let me just open the door and have a look. Oh no! It is pathetic. Oh my god. It's all broken. Oh my god, this poor chap. What am I to do with this now? Oh my god. I better cover it, otherwise it's going to be very, very messy and muddy out here. So I covered it with this one. Let's see.
Oh my god.
Did you see? One flower pot broke.
I get to see
Anushka Sharma, that's the banner.
which I she'll get wet today.
No, that's the flex board. Can you imagine? It's just 20 minutes. Not even 20. I think 15 minutes. And now, sunshine at Sunshine Residency. I had to remove all the pots. The smaller ones. I fear that they would be broken, and the one which I had least expected is the one which came to an end. Oh god, my balcony. I have to clean this floor again. Work gets doubled. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Plants, Crochet Cooking and more. Now, as I had said in my earlier video, I would like to show you how I'm going to place the shelf cover that I had made, the embroidered one. Let me start off by first just wiping it with a tissue paper. Not much of a dust, but yet alternate day cleaning is a must. I always like to keep a kitchen towel on the oven handle, the dry one, and the one which is wet I hang it on the rack which is attached with the window, kitchen window. So now this is the one which I had shown you in the earlier video, embroidered work. I'm going to place it here. I hope it is in a straight line. Yes, it is. This is it. Now I'm going to place one cookie box here, and of course my plant. My plant has to be everywhere. This is the wandering dude, or some of you must be knowing it by the name of wandering Jew. I've turned it more towards the window. This side of the window, which is the southern side, receives plenty, it receives a lot of sunlight. So I don't have to worry about the plant not getting sufficient sunlight. So I think it's better if I place it without this yellow planter. The ceramic one is doing just well, I guess. I believe in minimum items, minimalist. And one planter here, just a little bit of greenery. I think this will do. Looks decent enough to me. Let me know in the comment section if I could have added something else to it. Looking forward to your suggestions as well. I feel so accomplished after settling a small corner of my house. Try it out at your place as well. You need not settle the whole house together. A small corner every day. You'll feel very, very accomplished. If you all have seen my previous video, you all must be aware of what this is. This is the filling that my daughter had used last night for the momo, and this is the leftover, and I'm using cottage cheese, and I've already made the dough. Today I'm going to make veg phale. This is the tomato which I have blanched for the chutney. So here I have mixed the filling, leftover filling, with the cottage cheese, that is the chana, and then kept it aside. Here I've taken very little oil and just sauteed an onion There is no measurement for this. I have used one medium-sized onion and just a light change in color, and I have put garlic and then ginger. If you have ginger garlic paste, use it. Fried it again till the raw smell goes away, and then I've added this filling into it. Salt. My daughter had used carrot and soybean as the filling, and now I have also added the cottage cheese into it. So the filling is ready. I'll put the link or the I button for the previous video. You can check that out. Now the chutney is also nearly ready. Tomato, peanuts, chili, and just one small garlic clove, that's all. If you wanted a fiery red color, you can add Kashmiri red chili powder as well. Now after this is done, I'll remove this from the socket, and I always remember to clean the mixie, grinder before putting it into the cupboard, because once this grease or whatever, the stain, it hardens up, it is very difficult to remove them. So it's better to do it then and there. You have a clean gadget, you'll feel very nice to use it the next time again. Now in it goes. Now let me make small balls here. The balls will be about, you can say, puri size balls. And then I'm going to roll this out into discs. Once the disc is rolled out, I'm going to fill it with the filling that I made, and I'm going to apply water on one half of it and then fold it and seal the edges. It is quite easy, this phale, just like the way you make gujia. So if you all have made gujia, you all will know what I'm talking about. If you all haven't made, then you can have a closer look at this. It may not turn out to be exactly like this in the first case, but as you keep on doing it, you'll see that you'll be a perfectionist in this. Just fold it with your right hand and press it with your left index finger, or maybe your left thumb, or vice versa if you are a lefty. Let me show you one more. Rolled it out into a disc, put the filling into it. Try not to put very less of this filling, more the merrier, more the filling, the tastier it turns out to be. You can even use cabbage for this, the veg version. I have made chicken phale, that is called the Shafalley. I have a video on that in my channel. I'll put the link for that as well. Chicken Shafalley is also very, very delicious. You can try that out during your holidays. Let me show you once again how the folding is to be done. So this is how they are all folded. stuffed and folded, and now it's time to fry it. I'd put the oil to heat up. Once it comes to a smoking heat, I've decreased the flame, and then on a medium flame I've started to fry it. You can add a little bit of dough into it just to decrease the temperature of this oil, and then you start frying the phalays. It has to be golden brown. I'm going to fry all of them. All the phalays have fried to perfection, and now is the time for me to serve them.
Oh my god, wow. So nice. Mom? Papa?
What a lovely evening snacks, and when the whole family sits together to have it, the happiness is just doubled.
It's so good, oh my god. It's so good. What did you add in this? What did you put in this?
Same. Papa, come on.
Why is it so spicy today?
So enjoying this evening snacks, we come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed watching it, and please do try this recipe out. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up for it, share it with your friends and family, and of course comment. If you are new, please do consider subscribing to our channel. Till we meet again in the next video, it is bye-bye from all of us here.